In a crystal-lit showroom, a multi-million-dollar hypercar gleams as engineers reveal its carbon fiber heartbeat and whisper-quiet exhaust. The cockpit unfolds like a couture atelier, with bespoke upholstery, holographic displays, and adaptive aerodynamics tuned for street and track. Across the runway, a private jet hums to life, its sweep of mahogany and titanium accents signaling absolute exclusivity. Inside, cabin segments transform with modular seating, whispered climate zones, and a champagne bar that glows with starlight mood lighting. This insider tour ends with the promise that true luxury blends precision engineering with a fantasy of boundless freedom.